Once in a kingdom, there was a thief who was caught by the soldiers and he was brought to the king's court for punishment. After hearing the case, since the thief was already convicted of his theft, the king passed his judgment as a death sentence and ordered his soldiers to hang this thief until death. Well, after hearing this judgment, the thief was shocked and pleaded the king, "My lord, I committed a small theft for which death penalty is too much. It's unfair." But he couldn't do much. He had to obey the king's order without any option. But after a quick thought, this thief came up with an idea and requested the king, "My lord, I wanted to say something to you, if you allow me to do." The king said, "Okay, go ahead." Then the thief went on explaining, "My lord, my father taught me a mystic formula of invocation by using which I can sow a mango seed and overnight it will grow into a big tree and also produce fruits. I wanted to demonstrate this to you before I was hanged. Please allow me to do so." Well, the king was surprised to hear all this, that a seed is sown and overnight it will grow into a tree and it will also produce fruits. This is something interesting. Let's go ahead and see how it works. Then the thief dug a small pit and he took a seed, a mango seed, into his hand and he looked at the king. "My lord, my mystic formula will only work if anyone who has not committed any theft in his lifetime, if that person can come forward and sow this seed, then my mystic formula will work and this seed will grow into a tree and then it will produce fruits overnight." Well, it's interesting. Then the thief looked at one of the senior officials in the court and requested him, "Dear sir, can you come forward and sow this seed?" Well, the senior official was not expecting this, but he responded saying, "Look, when I was young, I actually stole a slate from my younger brother. So I am not eligible to sow this seed. It's of no use." And the thief looked at the minister and requested, "Dear minister, would you please come forward and sow the seed?" The minister explained, "In my teenage, I stole some mangoes from a neighborhood mango tree in my village. So even I am not eligible to sow this seed." Now the thief looked at few more officials in the court and requested everybody. Everybody confessed that at some point or the other have stolen something or the other in their life. So nobody was coming forward. With no more options left, the thief looked at the king and pleaded him, "My lord, you are such a righteous person. Why don't you come forward and sow this seed?" Now the king took a while to respond and told that when he was young, he actually took off a beautiful necklace from one of his uncle's house without informing anybody. After all, that is also an act of stealing. So he said, "Even I am not eligible to sow this seed. It's of no use." Then finally the thief emotionally addressed the courtiers by saying, "Oh, respected dignitaries, you are all in such a good position and in power, but all of you have voluntarily confessed that at some point or the other in your life that you have committed a theft. So all of us here are, in some form or the other, all of us here are thieves. But I steal petty things for my livelihood and for which I had to face a death sentence. How fair is this? Punish me for my crime, but not with a death sentence." He pleaded the king with tears in his eyes. The king was convinced with the explanation of the thief and he dismissed the death sentence and relieved the thief, and he also offered him a job so that the thief could live the rest of his life respectfully. My friends, most of us, or all of us, at some point or the other in our lives, we commit some mistakes, which is okay, because making mistakes is human nature. But learning from our mistakes and moving on is important, rather wasting time in defending our mistakes. But let's not make a habit of making mistakes. My friends, let's not regret, remorse, and restart. Thank you.